Hey guys, welcome to my another video. I am Miro and today I want to show you how I edited this photo. After I published a series of moody photos of Prague in rain, a lot of people ask me what Fuji simulation did I use, how I edited this photo, or if I use any presets. I'm not the preset guy, I always edit my photos from scratch. I just do it how I feel it in that moment, and I think you should do it too, because when you start editing your photos from scratch, you will be able to do it really fast in a very short time, and what's the best, you will hone your own style after some time, and that makes your photos much more unique. By the way, I always do my edits in Adobe Lightroom CC for one big reason, and that's I don't need to sit in the front of my computer. I usually use my iPad because I love editing with Apple Pencil, but in this tutorial it will be better to make it on my computer. So let's start. Remember that you can do all these steps on your tablet or smartphone too. Here is our picture before, and this is the edited version, what we want to achieve. I always start with auto function because I can quickly see if the picture is good and is worth editing. And then I start to tune the light section. Looks like too much exposure for the beginning, but I need some space. Let's add a little bit of contrast. I usually drop the highlights all down. Just look at the most highlighted area of the photo and adjust. Bring in the shadows, but not too much, and add a little bit of whites up and blacks down to make a bigger contrast. Now this is the interesting part, because I am a Fujifilm user. I love Fujifilm simulations, and my favorite for street photography is classic negative, because it makes the photo much warmer. When you compare it to classic chrome, it's much warmer and cinematic. And when you compare it to Astia or maybe Adobe Landscape, it has much less magentas and violet, purple colors. Another step is a curve. I always at the bottom of the curves the blacks. It makes this cinematic feeling. And then I compensate it and bring the shadows down. Maybe like this. Now I compensate the midtones and the highlights. This makes your highlights shine, as you can see on the path. Okay. So this is the light part, and this is what we achieved only by adjusting the light. We're still far away from the final result, but we're coming. Let's go to the color part. Let's make sure that the temperature and tint are okay, and let's add some vibrance and maybe also the saturation on this photo, but not too much because of this awful red. I just want to bring in these cold blues on the road. Maybe we can compensate the red later. Okay, so and now this is my favorite part, the color mixer. The first thing what I do is to make orange from yellow, because I really don't like yellows. Let's make it also more shine. And as you can see, not all the yellows are yellows. Some of them are greens, so we need to drop the hue of the greens too. Okay, now it looks okay. Let's bring down the saturation of magentas and purples. We can also make it more blue. You can see how awful it is, and we really don't need that color. Okay, now blues. Slide the hue to the left just a little bit to make it more cinematic, and saturation just a little bit for this photo, because we don't want to lose the road. Maybe luminance too. Okay, I also bring up luminance of oranges to make it shine, and reds. I think reds are okay. I don't want to lose these nice reds. So this is the difference. I think it's a really big difference what you can achieve with the color mixer. When you compare it to final result, we're still not there, but we are going very close. Okay, so let's keep color grading for now, and let's add dehaze. I almost always add dehaze. You can see how much contrast you can achieve, and add vignette to make some additional framing to your photo. Now let's go to the detail section, and let's make some noise reduction, because this photo has a little bit higher ISO. 2000, as you can see, it was a little bit dark outside, so maybe 25 will be okay. .26. Look at the difference. It looks much smoother. And now let's go back to color grading. This is what will make our photo much more cinematic. So let's start with shadows, and we want to achieve some nice teal and orange look. So let's add some teal to shadows, just a little bit, and luminance. I think it looks okay, we don't need to change it. And now let's add some oranges to the highlights, just a little bit. Okay, maybe like this, maybe. Okay, this is only about your personal taste. I think we are pretty close now. Maybe the final result is brighter a little bit, so let's add some exposure. And this is it. This is before and after. This is our final image. This is what we achieved in light section. This is what we achieved in color section. This is what we achieved by color grading. Looks like small change, but everything together makes a really big difference. This is what we achieved by effects section. And this is our detail section. It's only denoise. And that's all, guys. Here is the photo before and after. I think it was quite easy, and if you will do it often, you will be really fast and you will enhance your own style and taste. By the way, guys, I also have a small gift for you. I give you this preset, what we made today. You can download it below in the description. There will be the link, and I hope it will help you to start. So guys, if you like this video, please let me some comments below. If the video was helpful for you, or if you have any questions. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for more inspiration. And what's the most important, if you want more videos like this, please subscribe, and I will see you, no, you will see me in the next video. Bye!